This is an antique Singer, model 27-1 with Sphinx or Memphis decals. Serial number is G279041, which dates it to 1910. It's a treadle only machine, so there's no boss or hub on the right side for a motor hand crank. It has to be in the treadle table only, and that's the only way the bobbin winder works too. It rides the treadle belt. Decals are fairly complete. There's wear, some nicks, some touched up chips, a lot of chips around the front, and then some marks from makeshift pin cushion. But basically the machine's been serviced, fully functional, and I'm going to show you what it stitches. Got 6 layers of denim, which are already stitched once. Do a full speed stitch test too, so that lets you know if you skip any stitches or if it breaks thread, which you typically don't see when you do a slow stitch. Little tricky to see the white on the denim, but you can see each of the marks. So there you've got equal stitch and no missed stitches. There you have it.